Welcome to Marco Polo. Merry Christmas!
Hey guys, good morning. Today we are at Marco Polo to feature their Christmas delicacies and also their best sellers here at Cafe Marco. Let me tour you around.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
What's your name?
I'm Kate.
Kate?
Yes, ma'am.
Kate is making puto bumbong from scratch.
Next one.
So you just make it if na yung nag-order?
Yes.
Mm.
Bali fresh siya nga.
Fresh puto bumbongs. Perfect for Christmas.
165.
165, 3 pieces? Ah. pizza. It's 680 pesos and it's 14 inches round. Christmas ensaymada. Guys, the relleno that we showed you a while ago, that's relleno. You can buy that for 2,888. 2888? 2888. Then there's 1 kilogram of mashed potato 1 kilo and veggies and special sauces. So enjoy a feast here at Marco Polo. Thank you so much, Marco Polo, for having us. Guys, I'm with May and Cares, My Food Merkado, and Suroy TV. Don't forget to subscribe to her channels. Daghan, guys.
Duwa lang.
And page.
Ay, dito
More
na
than-
sa apil ang Suroy Tapan.
See? Daghan. Family vlogs. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lara, for guiding us here at Marco Polo. And of course, to their chefs. Excited namin mo tilaw sa ilang relleno, sa ilang ensaymada. And also their cupcakes na mahadlo ka mukaon kay murag pwede siya ipang souvenir.
Sure na ni?
Alright. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is their rellenong chicken. Or their chicken relleno. Look at that, mga kamarkads. So this is 2 kilos of this is perfect for your Noche Buena or and Media Noche. Actually, you know what, guys? You can order from Marco Polo. You can order this here from Marco Polo for 2,888 pesos. You get this very huge, almost turkey-like chicken, but it's chicken, so meaning the meat is tender, more tender than the turkey, di ba? And of course, it's more delicious kasi mas tasty manggid ang meat sa chicken kaysa turkey. And it's boneless. It's all meat. You can eat everything here. Diba? This is the ensaymada here at Marco Polo. Okay? And of course, we have the puto bumbong. And we also have the bibingka. Diba? So these are really, really delicious food here at Marco Polo.
Cupcakes.
Alright? And of course, we have the Christmas cupcakes, mga kamarkads. There you go. See that? It's so cute. You can order this as gifts, actually, because this will come in really nice packaging for Christmas. You can give this to your friends, you know, for your loved ones. You can have this. This is chocolate moist cupcake with buttercream. And look at that.
166 for 168 for the 3.
Wow! And this is only 168 pesos for 3 cupcakes already, mga kamarkad. Look at this, you know, we were able to have a big...
You can have 3 cupcakes for 168.
Yeah, and then cupcakes, you can get...
Eco-friendly straw.
Wow!
Good job. Even their fried chicken is very juicy. Guys, if you come here,
Dine and dip.
dine and dip, 800 pesos for adult. You can bring one child for free, and 650 is consumable.
Wow.
Merry Christmas, everyone. No walk-in, guys.
Shout
You need to
out,
call.
Tataboy.
Ma'am Lara, what time does your pool open? 10 a.m. to
Juicy
5.
inside.
What if, ma'am, like 3 people come here for the dine and dip? They just combine their payment for the 1.5?
So the 650 is consumable.
Ah, okay. So guys, if like 4 mo kabuok, then mag-dine and dip mo, combine lang inyong 650 each na
Are you gonna
consumable.
review this one?
So that's 650 times 4. You can already take advantage of the 1.5 na family platter nila na bolognese and then the chicken. How many pieces of chicken were there? 8? 6 to 8 pieces of chicken, and then there
I
was
think that was 8. Yeah.
pizza, 14 inches pizza.
It's a lot.
Grabe.
And this pasta.
And huge platter of bolognese pasta with garlic bread.
My friend here, wala pa daw siya naka-try og bibingka with salted egg. Yes, because kani siya sa Manila maguni usually ani Luzon maguni siya. Look at that. It's really different.
From our
The
bibingka.
bibingka is like a cake. Flour gyapon ang gigamit. It's just that it's so delicate in the mouth. Unlike dito, the usual bibingka na to nga kanang murag glutinous. This one is not. Hello, Jason, Bohol, Virgo.
GJ.
Red life.
Lami.
Hi, Nico. Lami, no?
It doesn't taste like our bibingka.
Di ba?
Ko.
It doesn't taste like the common bibingkas that we have in the market. It's really different. And if you can see, na siya yung mga coconut, mga...
Shreds.
Ano ni?
Makapuno.
Makapuno. Coconut. There's cheese?
No, cheese
I
ba?
think there was cheese.
Mura siya margarine.
I think-
Margarine.
Okay. It's margarine. Yeah, it's margarine melted.
Yeah.
Bring your plate instead.
It's margarine and sugar.
It's very flavorful. Go ahead, Surtabay. Taste it.
My turn.
There you have it. Thank you so much, Marco Polo, for having us today, for having Suroy Tabay and also My Food Merkado, and of course, May and Cares here at the Marco Polo, of course, and for the sumptuous lunch that you gave us. Guys, don't forget, on Mondays, 50% off sila on pizzas. You can also purchase the 1,500 platter with bolognese pasta, with pizza, with 6 to 8 pieces of chicken, and also soft drinks. And also the relleno chicken that you saw, which is 2,888 pesos. You can buy that. That's 2 kilos na chicken with chicken inside, and it's boneless. Aside from the 2 kilograms chicken, you will also get 1 kilogram of potatoes, mashed potatoes, and of course special sauces along with it. So guys, if you wish to order, the cupcakes are 168 pesos for 3 cupcakes. Pre-order that 3 days ahead. And if you wish to take advantage of the relleno chicken, you can order from 253-1111. Again, that's 253-1111 if you wish to purchase any of the food items that we showed to you today. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about the vlogs, about the food that we showed today, please do ask them in the comment section below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for coming along with us today here at the Marco Polo Hotel. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye, lovies!